In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the ink tanks in your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series. If you see a message like this one appear on your operations panel, alerting you that one of your ink tanks has run out, don't worry, replacing them is simple and quick. The message will alert you to which tank is empty. In this case, it's the black tank. Close the message by pressing Next. The machine will now seek your permission to unlock the front cover. Select Unlock. Open the front cover and locate the black ink tank. Twist the ink tank in an anti-clockwise direction to release and gently slide it out. Remove the packaging from your new ink tank. Slide it into the now empty compartment using these arrows to help you align it. Now twist the ink tank clockwise and lock it into place. Close the front cover. If you need these steps again, your printer has a handy guide located in Menu, then Adjustment Maintenance and Maintenance. Then select Ink Tank Replacement. You can select the ink tank you would like to replace and then select Replace. Now you've replaced your empty ink tank in your WG7000 and you're ready to start printing once again.